Good morning, students. Take out your marigold. All of you take out your marigold. Take out your marigold. So students, we have completed the chapter now, the yellow butterfly. Yes or no? Yes or no? We have completed the chapter, the yellow butterfly. Yes or no? Okay, students. So take out page number 50. Take out page number 50. Take out all of you page number 50. Marigold. Take out your marigold, page number 50. All of you can see me? Okay, take out page number 50. Take out page number 50. So students, we have completed the question answer now. Yes or no? Okay, so today we are going to discuss word building. Okay, today we are going to discuss word building. Page number marigold. Take out your marigold, page number 51. Today we are going to discuss word building. Okay, word building. All of you has completed the question answer? Yes or no? In the previous class we have already completed the question answers now. Okay, page number 51. Ankit Das, Aniket, where is your book? Where is your book? Okay, so make two words from one word. Okay, you have to make two words from the given one word. Okay, page number 51. One has been done for you, which is butterfly. The word from the word butterfly, two words are made. Na? The first word is butter and the second word is fly. So you have to make two meaningful words from the given word. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. So let's start. First word is everywhere. So make the two words. What will be the two words? Every and where. Good. Next one is inside. In and side. Next word is outside. Out and side. Next word is sunlight. Sun and light. So all of you completed? Yes or no? So we have completed exercise and question answer now. So students, tell me, where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Very good. Flying around in his garden. Name 3 places where the butterfly rested. Very good. Red rose, lotus leaf and pink flower on the peach tree. Next, why did Sonu chase the butterfly? Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? So that he could catch it and look at the beautiful butterfly. Na? Next question, why did Sonu let the butterfly go? When Sonu caught the butterfly in his hands, it looked sad. Sonu wanted to see it happy, so he let the butterfly go. So students, we have completed the yellow butterfly question answer and word building. Okay? Okay students? So who have completed page number 51, just upload your page. Page number 51, who have completed, just upload your page. Students, have you any doubt regarding the chapter The Yellow Butterfly? Yes or no? Who have the doubt? Okay students, so in the next class we will start the grammar. Okay? Okay students? In the next class we will start the grammar. Okay, bye students.